sometimes I just can't sit still. Hi, my name is Cindy. This is a day in the life of an auto mechanic. Let's see what the day brings.
All right, we got a pretty busy day.
Oh, I don't want to hear that.
We got that blue bus. We got 3 things we got to replace on that. I don't want to see that look. We also got that door mirror that arrived on the Dodge. So
nice.
On the right-hand side. And then we also have a Mercedes that we're doing an oil change on.
Awesome, we'll get to it.
Thank you.
During our oil changes, we do a complete vehicle inspection. I just shook down the vehicle. Wheel bearings feel okay. Did have slight play in the steering. Excessive dye leaking from AC compressor. I love my job as an auto mechanic. I love working with my hands. I get a real thrill out of taking something that's not working right and making it work. And sometimes making it work better. It looks like maybe this gasket is what's leaking the dye and not the AC compressor. So go ahead and document that. And then you can go ahead and finish up the service. Quiz time. What are some of the special certifications you can get as a mechanic? Stick around for the answers. You need some air in your tires. Sounds awesome. All right, some of the skills in this job you will need is problem-solving skills. Being able to understand how things work and being able to figure out why it's not working. So you have to know your equipment and you have to have good communication skills with the customer. We have to make sure that me and the customer are on the same page to do the diag properly. Rear right was around 25 PSI. So now that I filled up the tire, with your permission, I would like to drive it around the block. Make sure the tire pressure light goes off. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's awesome.
You have to be okay with being dirty. You have to be okay with getting your hands dirty, getting a little cut up. It's just part of the day-to-day job. Spaces can be very tight and you would be surprised on how many positions you find yourself in. I already have the mirror off. I just have to verify that I have the right component, install the component, make sure the component works, because that's not always the case. New doesn't mean it works. New means never ever worked until you plug it in. Well, we're not installing that. Lens, it's all cracked up. So basically we have to contact the company that we purchased it from, see if we can locate a new one to be able to finish our job. I enjoy the knowledge that I get from working on cars. Being able to fix and diagnose these vehicles is a great satisfaction to me. Every day is an adventure. Dealing with heavy components can be a dangerous job and you just have to be smart about it and be safe because one slip up can cause a major issue. With a lot of the newer vehicles right now, it's getting harder for small shops to be able to do diag on those newer style vehicles due to lack of transparency with the manufacturers that build them. We have to do a lot more research. We have to spend more money on more advanced tools to be able to diagnose vehicles more accurately. All right, so now we're gonna be working on this 70s Volkswagen bus. We're gonna be working on replacing the customer steering wheel and shifter assembly. As a kid, I always loved cars. I like making them go really fast and I enjoy working on cars with my dad. Basically, dad's little shadow. So that's where I learned most of my skill sets that I use today. I took training courses in Concord to learn more about the automotive diagnostics in the field. Let's make sure we have good lubrication here. So this is just allows the shifter to move more freely without resistance. If you're interested in being a mechanic, we do recommend having a high school diploma or a GED. Take automotive classes, apply for an apprenticeship, study for your ASE certifications, and most of it's gonna be on-the-job training, and good luck. Auto mechanics are always gonna be around, whether you're driving a gas-powered vehicle or an electric-powered vehicle. Electric-powered vehicle has to start and it has to stop. You're always gonna need us. It's a great industry to be in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, download the Indeed app. Have a great day. You know, grammar wasn't my best, okay?
She told you we're live, right? I'm just kidding.
That sucks. It's fun, huh?
Yeah.
You weren't expecting this when you came to an auto shop today, huh?